Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're jumping into something pretty transformative. It's all about how AI is, well, really shaking up test automation and software development. And our guide for this is an interesting article from ZAPTEST, dated July 2025. So pretty current thinking here.
That's right. And our goal really is to pull out the key insights for you from this piece. We want to get you up to speed quickly. It sounds technical maybe, but honestly, the impact on innovation is huge across the board. It's important to grasp why this matters.
Okay, let's unpack that a bit. Traditional test automation. I mean, think about the headaches. You've got these dynamic applications, always changing, right?
Wow.
And the old way of testing just couldn't keep up. Minor UI change, boom, scripts break. Lots of them.
Exactly. Which leads straight to, huge maintenance costs.
Yeah.
And it slows everything down, release cycles get longer, QA becomes this bottleneck. It really can stifle innovation.
Yeah, frustrating cycle.
But this is where AI sticks in, and it's fascinating how it flips the script. It offers real solutions to these really old problems. We're moving past just basic task automation. Testing itself is becoming intelligent, adaptive.
Totally. And that ZAPTEST article, it highlights some really cool AI features tackling this stuff head on, like no-code test generation. Think about just telling the system in plain English what you want to test. Like, check if a user can add something to the cart and check out.
And AI gets it?
Yeah, the AI understands the intent and just builds the test script.
Right.
Automatic. That's huge, right? It means you don't need specialist coders for every single test. It kind of democratizes QA.
That is a big shift. And then there's the self-healing part, which honestly, this is where it gets really interesting. Self-healing automation. Remember those breaking scripts from UI changes?
Oh yeah, the worst.
Well, AI can actually detect those changes, a button moves, a field name changes, whatever, and it automatically updates the test script to match. No manual fixing needed.
Yeah.
Tests just keep working. It's efficient, sure, but it also frees up people for, harder problems.
So less brittle tests makes sense. But what about planning? How does AI help strategically?
Good question. It really elevates the whole strategy. With predictive analytics, AI looks at past data, current changes, and it flags the high-risk areas in the application. So it helps you prioritize. You focus testing where it's needed most, not just running everything all the time.
Smarter testing, not just more testing.
Exactly. And connecting to that, the ZAPTEST piece mentions one script cross-platform intelligence. Imagine one script generated maybe via that no-code approach.
Yeah.
Running across web, mobile, and desktop apps. No changes needed.
Wow, okay. One script for all platforms. That's efficient.
Massively efficient. Think of the time saved not writing and maintaining separate tests for everything. And underpinning all this, you've got some powerful tech. Computer vision, letting the AI see the UI like we do, natural language processing for that plain English command stuff, and obviously machine learning, making it all adaptive and predictive.
The article even mentioned digital twin testing for mock-ups.
Yeah, like creating a virtual version from the designs.
Yeah.
So you can test before coding even starts properly, catching bugs super early.
Right. So what's the payoff the ROI companies are seeing?
According to ZAPTEST, it's pretty significant. They're talking up to 10 times ROI, fewer bugs making it out into the real world, and maybe 50% less maintenance work on the tests themselves. So for you listening, this means faster software delivery, more reliable software, and honestly, just less cost and hassle managing testing. It boosts agility.
So the bottom line, AI makes testing faster, smarter, much more scalable. It turns that old bottleneck into something that actually speeds up innovation. And ZAPTEST.AI, clearly they're positioning themselves right at the center of this as a platform for CIOs driving hyper-automation.
Absolutely. And it makes you think, doesn't it, this leap in test automation. How could that kind of AI-driven speed and reliability accelerate innovation elsewhere, in other fields you care about? It really pushes the boundaries of what software can do and how fast.
It's a huge shift, no doubt. The ZAPTEST perspective really brings that home. Well, that brings us to the end of this deep dive. Thanks so much for joining us. If you're curious about other topics, definitely check out our other deep dive episodes for more insights. We'll catch you next time.